Lesson 6 Force. In this lesson, we have to study about push and pull and types of forces. Dear children, when you open a door, you apply force to it. You either pull or push it. We use force all the time in our everyday lives. A push or a pull acting on an object is called force. Did you understand, children? A push or a pull acting on an object is called force. It can move an object or a person from one place to another. It can stop a moving body or change its direction. Force can stop a moving body or change its direction. It can even change the shape of an object. Force can even change the shape of an object. We cannot see force, but we can feel it and see its effect on objects and people. We apply force to perform actions like kicking a football, rowing a boat, and sharpening a pencil. However, the amount of force required to perform these actions differ. Look at the given pictures. In this picture, the potter is molding the clay on a rotating wheel. As he molds the clay, the shape of the clay changes and it finally becomes a pot. Here, force is used to change the shape of the object. What do you mean by molding? To give something a particular shape. In this picture, a spanner is being used to turn the nut. Thus, force is being applied to twist the object. In this case, the harder the push, the further the object moves. Pulling something has a similar impact. The harder the pull, the faster something moves along. For example, you may have seen a child pulling a toy train with a long string. The harder the child pulls the toy, the faster the toy moves.